Latest update with Hurricane Milton. Now a Category 4 storm.
As our rotation tracker shows exactly what's been happening, we have impact right here. You can see where the button is where.
About lunchtime or so is really when you got to be where you got to be and just stay inside because now the
It's wartime we never had. Been rapping a decade, I never lied. One of my first mission, I clapped trap, hit his ass 12 more times, but he survived. We come and slide, we hit they outside. I hit a bang out where I reside. I used to hang out with all the killers. I love to shoot and I know how to drive. I want my head to the left, but was shit in the hood. When left, I was dropping the five. Whistle go off, no rough, and my back against the wall, no help, and I headed to the side. Could I get rich off right waist deep, going viral on apps, and I wasn't even trying. Stacked up bodies on all the straps, we was swapping them out with whoever we find. One of the ops got whacked on live, and his guys had the nerve to get back online. I know a nigga in a wheelchair crying, cause we put a hollow point right in his spine. I blow 200K on the pennant to go to the trenches and post up shine. And my clique know all the sticks.